and some salvage.
So today I just looked at Fan of, and I will put his YouTube channel in my bio. Go check him out, and he's a great person. His name is Lee Chanley 17, and Paulie is his friend, and basically everyone in my family loves him because he's hilarious. Ain't he, Doodle? I showed him the video that they posted me for YouTuber Monday, and he turns around. Lee said, go like and subscribe to her channel. So why? He said, because she scares me, and I won't say how I scare him.
And then he was like, shut
I
up.
love Paulie. I'm his biggest fan. So do me a favor, go subscribe to his channel.
Will be in the description below.
You will be channel. Thanks. Bye.